इस वर्ष के कैलेंडर की मुख्य थीम है भारत एक्ट 2026, भारत एक्ट 2026, सेवा, सुशासन और समृद्धि। ये थीम एक ऐसे भारत की तस्वीर पेश करती है जो अपने आत्मविश्वास में अडिग है, अपनी पहचान को लेकर गौरवान्वित है और अपने विकसित भारत के विजन को लेकर पूरी तरह स्पष्ट है। जोरदार तालियों के साथ साल 2026 के स्वागत का इस कैलेंडर के साथ सभागार में मौजूद सभी लोग करें।
This year's calendar, Bharat at 2026, सेवा, सुशासन और समृद्धि. It reflects India at a moment of great consolidation. As Honorable Prime Minister mentions, we are all sitting in a reform express, and in this reform express, there's not just reforms, but there is inclusion and there are aspirations. And this calendar actually seeks to translate this vision into accessible monthly themes, and all these monthly themes speak to our citizens across regions and also across generations. Friends, each of the 12 sheets, which you will be seeing shortly, highlights a very distinct pillar of national progress, ranging from self-reliance, Nirbharta, agricultural prosperity of the farmers, to women-led development. Ease of doing business and simplified governance is one of the important pillars of this government, so that's also reflected in one of the sheets. Obviously, national security in the backdrop of the Operation Sindoor and the elimination of the left-wing extremism also holds a huge importance. Then you have health, you have inclusion, you have youth power, you have the infrastructure growth, you have the culture continuity, and the unity in diversity, and also India's expanding global role, all reflected in a very interesting format in this particular calendar, month after month. Friends, while these reflect various themes, many of us are from the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. I can see a whole lot of people from younger generations to the senior generations, and all these themes actually present a very cohesive narrative of India's ongoing transformation. And it's important that all of us have a view at these priorities, because it will be always easy for us to take our communication in accordance with the priorities which have been laid out by the government.